Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove emergency call from the lock screen. If you guys are new to this channel, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, let's jump into it. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your settings. And from here, you want to go to security. So if you scroll down a bit until you see the setting that says password and security, click onto this, and from here you want to go to emergency SOS. When we go here, there are a few options available to us. So the main thing that you want to change here is the emergency SOS setting. So we just need to disable this one, and you can just go back into your home screen and that should remove the emergency call from your lock screen. So if you're wondering, whenever you click on the power button repeatedly and it sometimes calls your emergency contact, when you now disable this, that specific setting will no longer do that. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing.